Alright, here is how hot dogs are made. Alright, so first thing is they get a big grinder, and then they put in some beef, some pork, some chicken. These are usually trimmings, right? They come from making other of those animal products. They grind them all up together just like you would a hamburger. Now that they got the ground beef, they need to add some seasonings, so maybe some salt, some food starch, some just other flavorings. So depending on what part of the world those hot dogs are going to be marketed to, it depends on which flavorings they actually put in. Then a little bit of water. Okay, cool. And then they stir it all up. All right. And then a little bit of corn syrup. Just sweeten it a little bit. All right. Then they puree it all together. That removes the air, makes it kind of a thick conglomeration of sorts. This is not the prettiest looking thing, so I'm not going to show it to you. However, just like the ugly duckling becomes the beautiful swan, so does that puree become a hot dog. Anyway, so they puree it, and then they put it in casing with a cellulose casing. So they put it in, and it just pops it out of the machine like that. Alright, then they put the sausages on racks, just kind of like this. And then they put them through a process to cook them. So first, a liquid smoke shower. Alright, then they put the hot dogs through a few ovens. Then when they're done cooking, they cool them down by putting them in some cold, salty water. Then they put them through a machine to remove those casings, which is a sign that they are all ready to be packaged and consumed by America. Alright, so then they're inspected and packaged and then enjoyed. That is how they make hot dogs.